everyone. Bonjour bandeko nyoso bolanda biso. Jambo. Unjani tumelai ndafo man. Okay guys. Bonjour tout le monde, bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Valérie, a mom of 2 boys. Dans ce zoom d'Asika, soyez les bienvenus sur la chaîne YouTube. Dans la maman bagarre, so awa pour nous lier au s'abonner et ça gratuit. Donc dès qu'on fait les vidéos, everyone, that the first thing when you do when you open my channel, give a thumbs up. It's for free, and then subscribe if you want to see more of this beautiful lady. So as you can see my title today, we talk African culture. Though what can shock about this South African culture? This is my point of view. This is me. It's personal. It's my personal view. Donc il y a non baka ke biloko ko choquer en Afrique d'ici. O eza selonga ne na monaka. Na lobi na ngate za na mutu nyo eza seloko ka ngai. Donc bolanda bien. The first thing first, what can shock you about South African culture is haha. Then we let me just start in English and then we go to Lingala. We say English Lingala. So what can shock you first is water. In South Africa, it's the most, so that it's just in this world, I just feel like South African got the most clean water ever. Like clean water. Donc en Afrique d'ici, mai est propre. Bakata mai, te mai ya mai zo fele. Te to fute la ngombon, ba complexe musukasi, mai zo fele. Ça que 24 heures du temps aux na mai, na pompe na ndako na kina fongoli. So water is always 24/7. We have water. So most of African countries, water is a problem. Country like Congo, I don't know about other African countries because I just been in Congo and South Africa. So water number one is the best. South Africa got save water. You can drink water straight from the tap. You don't need to buy. If you buy just because you want to feel fancy or you think that is personal, you feel yourself, you feel like, okay, I need to buy water. But I drink water from the tap. Yes, sometimes we have purified water, but most I drink from the tap. They go saved water. When you go to country like France, America, Canada, whatever, they don't drink tap waters. It's like they buy waters and stuff. So meaning like South African got the safety water ever. Don't buy ya mai na Afrique d'ici. Et so que lingo so mamai, mo mamai na ba ya ba nini ba opirwana. So lingo so mon seke za na oka ke olingi na okozala via leaks. But à part ça, ko me na mai ya pompe et ça les lots. Dans les pays locaux, bah France, bah Canada, bah États-Unis, bah pays Europe, whatever Amérique, il y a most bah on ne sait pas ce que bah son mai. En Afrique d'ici, mai ils a c'est en Afrique mobile. On parle bah que mai Afrique d'ici ils a ma bé. No tiré mai. And then the second thing is that can shock about South African culture is freedom of speech. One thing when I came in this country, I realized that in South Africa, everyone is free to say whatever they want to say. And it's up to you how you're going to take it. But then, country that I come from, in Congo, there's no freedom of speech. You know, back then it was like Zuma. No, when I came, it was Thabo Mbeki. Oh my gosh. People can say a lot of things to Thabo Mbeki like this. In Congo, you can't insult the political people, whether it's a deputy or is the minister, is the president himself. You can't. Anyone just in power, you cannot talk bad about him. Whether it's a celebrity, most of celebrities, even when you talk bad about them, they arrest you. You get arrested. It depends how influential he is. Even the government, when you speak bad about political people, mama, you can even see yourself next day in the mortuary were burying you. So you can, especially in the time of our old presidents, Mobutu, people used to die. Journalists, they used to die, and their child is like when they're watching the TV, they see a handsome journalist, and they say like, "Daddy, I want that." That's what they used to tell us. So it's like, yeah, it's like somehow, somewhere, I feel like South African people are blessed, and they're blessed, and they don't realize that they're blessed. Donc, bayande na lubika ke na Afrique d'ici, baza na Afrique, balbani. Donc, okoki kolobelo nya solingi, oza libre ya koloba. Okoki ko critiquer président, okoki ko critiquer député, ministre, n'importe quel monde. Donc, oza libre, ça ko ba pays na biso te ya ba Congo, o lobi bo ya ba kangi mo ko ebinde le kana Congo. Donc, quelque part Afrique d'ici, façon bato bo monde l'Afrique, c'est ça bonté. Devrait réalité ça bonté. L'Afrique si tozana oza libre ya koloba nyonso lingi koloba. Mutu mote au kangayo, mutu mote Yes, et que vous avez un bloc à tout le monde à Bakangate, ça ou quoi Congo, Congo, j'aime beaucoup le Fachi, ou le Belé des autres, aux comédiens à critiquer Fachi. L'objet comédien, on a prison, na makala. Prison makala, et dans la kawa piago, na selemba. So yeah, so that's where our prison is in Selimba. It's like South African jail, prison is in Pretoria, is in Pretoria, in Mahabastad. So yeah. And then the third thing that is amazed me here is the way they put the papers for abortion. Oh my god. You know, it was one day, first thing when I went to leave, no, I went to learn English in Sunnyside. If everyone who live in Pretoria, actually you know Sunnyside. I went to Sunnyside. You know, by the harbor, not by the harbor. So it's the way they put the papers. You know those papers for abortion. Oh my god. I was shocked. I was like, first when I remember it for English, like, abortion is for free. They lied. And they say also, samomas. Hey, if you want samomas. So those things. First word of English you can learn. No, not English. Samoma is not English. I think like this South African local language. Yeah. So, yeah, but papi, muni na, muni ba papi na bamba. Ya ba kolo wala ze mezo fele. Nganga zalaga awa nganga afrisi ba benga kai sangoma wani za langue ya ba sud africain dans tous les pays nous faisons ba toza ba langue totiza nde biso kitiza kanganga do baba ba papier na partout et ça dépendre na commune ozali ke ba komi ba commune ko ba Gombe ma campagne ba commune na babamba te because les amours ba mindele et tout question que place ba noir basé belo ko ba Sunnyside parce qu'on fait étranger belé Sunnyside Yoville so que na ba ville moi na ba ville ko ya Jobo ville à Pretoria ya place alande au moins ba papier na ba bamba ya banganga nganga zala numéro ya ngoya nganga donc mon ça libre ya ça ne soit lingi donc ya et le kana première fois on a mon avis na tuna iko camarade na ya kurangi bo bamba ande boyaya biya kaka boy mama baba mo papa nganga do so nginga uzwika telephone obengi do eloko wana is shocking en Afrique. So that's what shocked me in South Africa. It's just the way they put the papers everywhere. And then I cannot say it's South African people that do that, the citizen, but it can be a South African, can be a foreigner, can be anyone can do that. So these days anyone's doing anything, but since we just here, which we cannot only blame to South Africa. Second things that I don't know if it's state or force, yeah. And then also one thing that shocks me the most is hospital. You give birth for free. Mama, go just do your things. Carry your pregnancy. After that, going to the government. You push for free. You give birth for free. And the hospital is not like just any hospital. Like you can give birth in those government hospitals, not private. Government like Steve Biko. I'm talking about Pretoria. Steve Biko, because I live in Pretoria. Things like Steve Biko, Tshwane, maybe Johannesburg Hospital as well. So there's like a hospitals that you can give birth for free. You don't pay anything, and they take very good care of your kids. And then let's say the way the environment is very clean. Especially Tshwane, when I did give birth to my firstborn, it was looking like a private hospital. It was so clean because they did renovate on a lot of things. So you give birth for free, you don't pay any money. And then when you go to the government hospitals, they treat your child or yourself for free, but you just need to come with a letter from the, let's say if you have like maybe HIV or that sugar diabetes, yeah, you have a sugar diabetes, or you have any sickness that is permanent, or you need like a long treatment, and then you can go to the private hospital. They just write a letter for you that they recommend, that they tell you not to go to Steve Biko to check you, or Tshwane, whatever. So you can just go to any doctor, write you the letter, and then you take it to those big hospitals. You make appointment. It's for free. Donc bah y a elo que choquant. Ils ont l'hôpital au Canada Congo le ba maman il fait ça la gratuit. Et l'hôpital au Canada maman il fait ça le faire. Ok l'hôpital moi amké ba comme le lettre. Après ok na hôpital amené aux rendez-vous. Après bah checker yo. Yes hôpital au fait et ça en facilité ça et aux amours ça en trois ok. Parce qu'il faut la patience na mulongo eza mulai. So yeah, that is for South Africa. Giving birth kobota is a ofele. And then one thing that also is amazed me about South Africa is what you call this, the way South African live. South Africa get free houses. Hey, these free houses, government gives some people they got free houses in township. That shocked me. Most of African country, a lot of African country, we don't get that. We don't get that free houses. Never. So there's little things that South African they are blessed with that they don't really notice. You know, like it's like when you have a good father, you don't really know your father is good because he stopped you from going out. You feel like this man is a bad person. Only the day you lose him, and then that's where you realize that my father was the best. So it's like since South African they live there, they love their country. They don't like traveling. A lot they don't travel. South African they love their country because it's blessed. They're blessed. They have everything. I can say that because I'm here. I'm blessed. So yeah. They get free houses. So en Afrique d'ici, batumsu bazo abanda ko fele. Bana mboka. Ata ba réfugié msu ka ba Zimbabwe et tout, bazo abanda ko fele. Baza ba place mo ba enda ba ko ba mille rekile. Ba pesa o banda ko ofele. Biso na Congo, ya ozongwa. Pays ni ya Afrique yo yibike ba pesa anda ko fele. Tozabat. Ezate à part Afrique d'ici. So quelque part, sans en Afrique d'ici en tout cas, ye so revient na ko bima, au vieux Europe, au vieux ba pays na msu because question totally bien. So in South Africa, oh no, the way they assist their people, the way they assist everyone. Let's talk about the foreigners. Let's say foreigners, those who have status. Status like asylum, those not asylum seeker, but status people who have 4 years. You know, when you go to Home Affairs, you get like, I don't know if you know that there's a type of papers that foreigners have. So we have like a paper that called status statute. So that status, if you have 4 years, so you're able, you can go to what you call this, SASA. No, SAQA. No, SASA. You can go to SASA. So South Africa also do that. So you can go to SASA, and then you register your child, and they start paying you per month like 420 or 450 somewhere there. So it's like in a way like they're trying to help the community as well. So at the same time they're not only helping South African, they're also helping foreigners. You can get money, social money for your kids, you know, grant, they call it a grant, yeah, grant money for your kids. So I do get it. I get it from my Facebook. I went to register, so I get that money. I'm okay, one of those foreigners that's beneficial on that money as well. So I get the money, I get for something. So yeah, you can use that money for something. You can buy pampers, you can take it. Okay, you won't do much, but you can still buy small grocery for your child. If you like, you're a mother, like you want to buy milk, whatever, it can cover you up. Although it's not good enough, but also it's not small. Who in this world can just give you $400, 400 hands in like in dollar? I think it probably can be like 30 something dollar. It's a lot of money. It's a lot. Yes, to other countries like overseas not a lot, but in Africa it's a lot. So that's what South Africa does. And then the first time when I found out about it, I was so shocked. I was like, really? They do give money? No, but in Africa ici bafuta paper. Oh, by this I don't in Africa ici bafuta. But you look choquant I that keton na ebe in Africa ici bafuta bana. To uti ba Congo. Congo nga banana bimena Congo non la leta 2 fois un gouvernement. Ni na mai ni les locaux ba contribuer à tes locaux. Dans l'Afrique d'ici, ceux qui ont une statue, on a un 6 mois, des statues, on a des statues, il y a 4 ans. Donc, on peut enregistrer moi, on a ça, on peut faire un bon au fil. Les autres qui ont 50 ou 420. Donc, bon, on peut aider les locaux, you know, it's better than nothing. Yes, na ba pays ba lokwa ba poto et tout ba futa ba mbongo wana te ba futa au delan et ça dépend de pena ba facture au ba bazala non but après ici bazomeka moi muke. And then also in my list, something that shocked me the most about South Africa, it was when we talk about the SASA. Oh my god, during COVID, in Corona, oh my gosh, guys, you know, like I always tell people, we always talk, me and Tanti Fora, shout out to Tanti Fora, we say like being here in South Africa is like, it's a bless. It's a blessing to be here. You know, a lot of things that we go through, the country that we come from, people like Zimbabwe, people like country like Zimbabwe, country like Congo, you know, okay, those countries that I know, okay, Zimbabwe, we know, all of us, we know what is happening in Zimbabwe now. And then I also talk about Congo, you guys, most people, you know what is happening in Congo now. So country like that, you know, during this COVID, I was so blessed to be here. Because yes, I didn't get no help because I didn't look for it. But in Corona, they help people. Actually, they increase our money. That money, grant money that I was saying, that they increase it for 900. So I was getting for my boy 900, and it was a lot for 6 months, 900. So It was like, wow. In Congo, most people, the government do not do nothing for the people. They didn't do nothing. Most of African countries, the government didn't do nothing. And they give so much money to us, and then they eat our money. At the same time, they don't help us. That's why we end up today. Because come on, guys, come on. Let's just give Africa to South Africa. That's South Africa. They did sharp. So by any no, but not Corona is like in Corona they did help a lot of people. Most of our country like Congo they did not do so. Congo they didn't help. I didn't see if it was a government help. Most people that helped was organization that were helping. So now this na June na temps Corona is like makas. Ba pays non surprise que ba pays belé ba edaki. Que pays le quoi Zimbabwe na Congo. À part kaka ba organisation hein ba tout cas ba sala ba ni na ba on. Organisation na baonde bat ba meke ko aider batu donc ba biloko surtout loko ezo leka na Goma so ezaki ndeti na Afrique d'ici ane loko ingesa ma peut-être ingesa ma ba ba luka stratégie comment ko aider batu elo moka na mboka na biso nde nazo linga te eza nde baso aider batu te talande lelo tabanda ba sali kamwilo mo ba pesi bango batu ba vanta batu baza ba pesa okete bana mama ko kiti ya ko bima bamboka mususu ba pesi batu biloko olia ba mai ba kotinda avion na Goma e pesi batu ba mai biloko olia wana nyo sedaka ko contribuer na mboka na yo. Donc video na biso zaki kake we talking about how South Africa, how the thing that can shock you about South Africa, things that South Africa that they're doing. Guys, please don't focus too much to the media. Most of the time the media they're just trying to show you guys what you guys want to see. The bad side about South Africa. Yes, it does have the bad side, also have the good side. Me personally, as I'm sitting here, I know a lot of the good side of South Africa. Then soon another video is gonna come with different advantage of living in South Africa and disadvantage of not living in South Africa. See you guys in my next video. In my channel we post about everything. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and then when you subscribe you can subscribe and there's a bell. You see that bell, that thinking, no, the bell is this side, that small bell, and then you press that bell, and every time when I post a video you'll be the first person to get notification. Guys, don't forget to vous abonner la chaîne so massivement, vous abonner, vous partager, vous liker, give j'aime et vous ça bien. Bye bye.